Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Power the TV and set the input to the HDMI port you'll use. Make sure your Chromebook's ports match. If it only has USB-C, you need a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Otherwise, use a direct HDMI cable. If you plan to cast, ensure Wi-Fi is on and both devices share the same network. Once done, update Chrome OS if prompted so the casting feature works reliably, and you avoid compatibility. Now connect and configure depending on your method. For HDMI, plug the cable or adapter into the Chromebook, then into the TV, select the matching input and wait for the laptop's screen to appear. For Chromecast, open Chrome, click the menu, choose Cast, select the Chromecast, and choose whether to cast a tab or your entire desktop. Make sure to set mirror versus extend in the display settings and adjust resolution so text and video look crisp on the TV. Finish by picking the correct audio output, switch to TV speakers in sound settings if needed, and test a video to confirm both picture and sound. Make sure the display scale and resolution fit the screen to avoid cropped or fuzzy content. When done, stop casting or disconnect via system tray before unplugging cables. If you run into issues, restart both devices, reset cables, verify the Wi-Fi network, and update firmware or drivers. One restart often resolves handshake and network problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.